So, Nate, can you cover how we just finished putting together our tower garden?
So, first of all, we got this big tub that's full of water right now. And then we got this lid, which has this on it.
Oh, listen.
Oh, and also there's this timer. So every 3 minutes and 15 minutes, water goes on and waters this.
Yeah, we can hear
all
it.
of the plants.
You hear that? The plants are getting watered right now. Let's see if I can, I don't know if I can lift this off. I put this on site. Let's see. Can you lift it off, Nate? Are you able to? No?
No.
It's too tight. Okay. Well, anyway, you can see there's like a little fountain under there. So
yeah, and where that water comes from is in this tower garden
reservoir.
Yeah. So every now and then you have to fill this up. So you actually cannot use tap water or hose water. So if you don't want to use drinking water, you can actually let it sit for 2 days, and that's what we did. And then we put our plants in.
Yeah. Why do we have to let the tap water sit for a couple days?
To like dissolve the chlorine.
Chlorine, that's right.
Chlorine.
So the chlorine then evaporates.
Evaporates, yeah, that's what.
So we don't have to worry about that because it's too harsh for our plants.
Yeah.
So what else did we do? So we've set up that a couple days ago. We put the tower together. Then we filled it up and let it sit for a couple days so that it evaporated. And then what did we have to add in there today?
We had to add all these nutrients.
Yeah, the minerals. So there's a mineral, 2 different kind, A and B, that we had to put in there.
Yep.
And then what did we have to do? We had to test it for what?
We had to test it for acid and alkaline.
Right. So we wanted just the right balance, pH balance.
So there's actually this thing that you put drops in and this thing that you match up, and it'll tell you want about 6 for this.
Yeah, so it went from, we started off with kind of like an orange color, and then it ended up being what color?
Green.
Green, which was about 6 on the pH scale. So then what did we do? We've been waiting for these guys to grow to the point where they have actual seedlings out, and on the other side of this rock moss we saw a little bit of the roots.
Yeah.
And we put those into their cages.
So
these little cages here that they sit in, which you can see over here. Actually, there's one hole we still have left, so it just goes. You can see the water dripping in there, and it waters and keeps this moist, and it has the nutrients in the water, right?
Yep. Which will help it grow very good. Oh, and there it just shut off.
Now it automatically shuts off because we have it on this timer back here. Yep. And what did we grow? What did do you remember some of the things?
We grew some lettuces like bib, kale, things like that.
That's a gourmet lettuce there. We have lots of gourmet lettuce because we like to make our salads. And what do we got there? This is a sweet basil.
Sweet basil,
Yeah,
chard.
Yeah, we got chard. We've got some lemongrass here.
Yep.
Oh, here's our arugula.
Arugula.
And what else we got?
I think that's about it.
Yeah, we got lots of lettuces, and we got 2 different types of basil. We've got a basil prospera, and I think that's it for now. So the thing is, what we can do eventually, we wanted to start with this. Yeah. This has how many sections? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So actually, there's this lid here. So it comes, the lid has 1, so we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, but in total there's 5.
Right. And what we can do later, if
this turns out, you can actually buy separate expansions to make it higher and
you
higher.
can also do the like a micro one, I guess, which is more for the herbs and stuff. But we did put our herbs right in here. So we're going to keep track of this, right? Yep. And it's already growing quite fast, considering we just had the seedlings planted. A couple of our seedlings didn't sprout.
Yeah, mainly the peppers.
Yeah, the jalapenos didn't turn out for some reason, so that's okay. We've got some hot ones to go in the soil as well. Yep. So we'll give this a test. And what do you think people can do if they want to get one of these, Nate?
Contact wholesome.
contact Roseanne. What a great idea. Thanks so much.